Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I get this high sleek ponytail on 100% natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think after you watch this video. And let's get into this tutorial, girl. So I'm starting off with my hair. It's blown out already. Don't mind all these little flakes you see in the front. That is just product build up from when I did this hairstyle the first time I did it. I wanted to try it out first and then come back and record it for y'all just to make sure that I got it, down pat. I did this like 2 days ago from when I'm recording this video right now. So I'm sectioning off my hair, getting it ready to be flat ironed in the front, and I'm going to take my Tresemme heat protectant spray. I use this whenever I flat iron my hair or blow dry my hair just to protect my hair, make sure that my curl pattern stays the same, that I don't get any heat damage. And especially now because I'm, going through flat ironing the front of my hair. I'm mainly only flat ironing because I want to make sure that my roots are super, flat, because those are the parts that revert back the most whenever they're not touched up. So I'm just going through and just hitting my roots, not really concentrating on my ends. And I need my roots to be laid, because if not, then this ponytail would not be sleek, girl. So make sure you hit them roots. And I am 100% natural, like I said. So, when it comes to styles like this, I gotta make sure that, I take my time when I do stuff like this. I have to make sure I get every little piece, because if not, it'll just be a mess. So right here, I'm just gonna get my edges super flat and get those ready to be sleeked up into this ponytail. So now that all of that is done, I'm gonna start with my products. And the first one I'm gonna use is my organic root stimulator smooth and hold pudding. I like to use this opposed to using gel, because gel is just too watery and it will literally make my hair curl back up, and that's not what we're going for. This is more like a cream based, it's literally like a pudding. Like, it just works so much better than gel, and it keeps your hair soft, and it adds really nice shine, and it makes it just so smooth. I love this stuff. Then I'm gonna take some edge control by Polished Edges and add that on my edges and in the back of my hair. And it's going to further help make sure that everything is super sleek. And now I'm going to take my baby hair comb, baby hair brush, whatever you want to call it, and brush out those hairs before I start putting my hair up into the ponytail, just so I can get an idea of what hairs I want to be out. Then I'm going to take a regular brush and just start brushing this hair into a ponytail. This part took a little while. I had to cut out some of it because I couldn't get it right. It took me a while. Like, it takes a long time for me to get my hair in a super sleek ponytail. But I got it together, as y'all can see. And now I'm going to add some more edge control on the hairs that I brushed out, and just start shaping up my baby hairs to however I want them. Y'all can do y'all however y'all want. It's just what I prefer. And this part also takes a long time, because I be wanting my baby hairs to be perfect. Like, this part takes a long time. And so I had to speed up a lot and cut out a lot, because this video would have just been too long if I had left it how it was. And then this little front part in the front was really aggravating me. Like, it just would not swoop right. And y'all can kind of see me struggling with this little piece. But I got it together eventually. Just keep on swooping and combing and brushing and whatever you want to do with your edges. Then I'm going to take some Got To Be Glued gel because edge controls today suck and they do not last. And I know for a fact they would not have lasted on my hair. So I have to add I can't even talk. I have to add some Got To Be Glued gel on top of the hairs that I just swooped down just to keep them in place. And then add a silk scarf, tie that down, and start with this ponytail. So I'm going to section off my hair into 2 pieces and braid it down. And this is going to help to make my little bun that I'm going to have underneath my ponytail as small as I can get it, as opposed to me just doing one big old braid. So I'm going to wrap this up into a little tight bun, as tight as I can. I probably could have got it a little bit smaller, but it worked out for the better. I got that ponytail from a brand called Jomara from my local beauty spot store. It was like $10. I love these little things. Like they're so fast and easy. They have 2 combs and then 1 drawstring, as you can see right here. So you just put the 2 combs in and pull the string, and then it's on. And then, I'm gonna just go in and brush it out and take a section of hair from the back and wrap this around just to hide, the fact that it's a ponytail. Like, I mean, you're gonna know it's a ponytail, but this just makes it look even cuter, and it hides the little tracks in the front. So you can see right here, it just looks so much better as opposed to just slapping it on and leaving it like that. So once I remove my scarf, I can see all the little baby hairs. They're all laid and not going anywhere. I'm gonna go in and flat iron the ponytail. Now, even though it's synthetic, you can flat iron up to like 300, 350, something like that. I forgot. But I always flat iron synthetic ponytails just to get them even more sleek, because sometimes they be a little chunky on the ends. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So I just flat iron them just to get them super flat and straight. And this is the end result. Super easy, super cute. This is my go-to hairstyle when I'm in between real hairstyles. I love ponytails. If you know me, you know I love ponytails. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all on the next video. Goodbye.